What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite math teacher, Mr. Stevener, coming at you with another video. Today's video is going to be so quick because this is honestly a really tough thing, but it's something that I think you guys can handle. So check it out. You've looked at equations before. If you haven't, watch that video, watch some of the other videos I've done on how to solve equations. This one is going to be what happens, and this is it. Ready? It's only going to be what happens when you have a fraction like this as the coefficient. This guy right here. Think we can handle that today? I think we can too. Let's get Tommy out. Let's get going on this. Hey, Tommy, come here.
Oh, okay. Hi. Oh, hey. Oh, wait. Why is there a fraction there?
Why is there a fraction there? That's what we're going to talk about right now, Tommy. Why is there a fraction there? All right?
Yeah.
Okay, as a reminder, quick, bam, don't forget, hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, and the like button. Okay, hit it.
Yeah, hit it. So check it out, Tommy. We're going to make this quick because I think this will be helpful. Again, I'm not going to show you the big process and explanation on how to go through solving these equations. We've already done that, right?
Yeah, so go watch some of those other videos, okay? Okay.
All right, so look, what I'm going to do is start solving this, right? And when I get down to the point where I need to get x by itself, this guy right here, this part. Now, normally you would do division, right?
Yeah.
Well, we're still going to do division, but the tricky thing is you have to remember when you're dividing fractions, okay? So if I have 3/2, right, and I divide it by another fraction, we'll say 1/2, right?
Yeah.
Remember, the rule is you keep this one, you change the division to multiplication, and then you do the reciprocal of this, you flip that, and so you end up getting something like this, right? Which ends up being 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember you have to do the flip version of that. As I'm saying, just keep that in mind. You have to flip that second fraction. Well, in this case, it's the same thing. But what we're going to do is we're going to actually do what's called the reciprocal of 3.5. Remember, our goal is to get x by itself, right?
Yeah. And if x is by itself, there's only 1.
Exactly. So we want to get rid of this coefficient. You can't subtract. You can't do anything that. Remember, if you can't subtract something, I can't do this because 3.5x is not a like term with 3.5. You can't subtract it like that.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
It's the same reason you can't combine these right there. You can't combine them because they're not like terms. Right? It would be so much easier if we could just combine them all, but that's not the way it works.
Right, not the way it works.
Exactly. So, what we're going to do is we're going to actually multiply this by its reciprocal.
It's what?
Its reciprocal. Basically, the flipped version of this. So if I were to flip this upside down, it would look like what?
2 over 3? 2, yeah, 2 over 3.
Yeah, it would. You're absolutely right. Now look, now watch. 2 over 3. I'm multiplying this by its reciprocal. And watch what happens. What is 2 times 3, Tommy?
6.
And what is 3 times 2?
6.
Good. And what is 6 over 6?
1.
Exactly, it is 1. So this ends up canceling because I get 1x, or x, right? But keep in mind, don't forget, whatever you do to one side,
You gotta do the other.
so I'm going to multiply this side by 2 over 3. Right? Remember multiplying fractions to make this a whole number, you just put it over 1?
Yeah, I got that.
All right, so 4 times 2 is 8 over 3 gets me 8/3. We don't need to worry about simplifying it. Does it make sense?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, wait, there's something kind of easy.
Yeah, let's do one more just to see. We'll do 4/5 y plus 9 is equal to 27. You ready?
Yeah, let's see. Okay, go.
All right, so I'm going to start. Remember, I'm not going to go through the explanation or the process. I'm just going to talk about what happens when you have a fraction coefficient.
Yeah, gotcha.
All right, so we end up getting that. We end up getting this. Remember, how do you get rid of that coefficient?
You multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal.
The reciprocal, you're right. So the reciprocal of 4/5 is what?
5 over 4.
5 over 4. So I'm going to multiply this by 5 over 4. Keep in mind, 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. You get 20 over 20, which is just
1.
exactly. You did exactly what you're supposed to. So this canceled this part, and I end up getting just y. Now what did I multiply this side by?
5 over 4.
Good, so what do I have to do over here?
The same thing. Yeah, do the same thing.
So 5 over 4, right?
Yeah, 18 over 1.
Good. And then I'm going to do 18 times 5, which I don't know what that is off the top of my head.
Neither.
is 90?
90, yeah.
Okay, so 90 and over 4. Because remember, you just multiply across with fractions.
Oh, man. This is pretty easy. I think I get it.
I'm glad you get it. Don't forget, guys, like this video, subscribe to this video, and we'll start making more math videos just for you guys. That's why we're here.
Yeah, that's why we're here, to help you. Yeah, okay.
Anyway, if you guys need help, let me know. Don't be afraid. Look for other videos to kind of help yourself, right? This is the point, is you get on YouTube, you get on other things to try to help you. If this video didn't help, go find another one.
Yeah, because we just want to help. Yeah. Yeah.